Hello friends, I am Dr. Mohua Mukherjee, Professor at the Department of Architecture and Planning, IIT Roorkee. I am joint faculty to the Center of Excellence in Disaster Mitigation and Management, IIT Roorkee too. I am offering an online course through NPTEL in urban ecosystems. The students who are pursuing their courses in master's level in architecture, planning, disaster risk reduction, ecology, sociology, geography, economics, resource management, all of them can take this course. And also students who are pursuing courses in PhD level, they can take up this course also. This course will be beneficial for the working professionals and students who are preparing for GATE exam and other competitive exams at national and state levels. However, there is no prerequisite for this course. Today, more than half of the world's population lives in cities, and by 2050 this will rise to over 70%. Cities are no longer just built environment. They behave as novel ecological systems where energy, water, carbon, nutrient and even social interactions circulate and transform. Understanding these flows and interactions are essential for designing and planning cities that are healthy, resilient and equitable. This course is having 60 lectures divided in 12 modules. We will begin with Module 1, where you will develop foundational knowledge of ecosystems, their structure, function, processes with real-life examples across ecosystem types. In Module 2, we will go deeper into ecosystem theories and concepts. Module 3 will introduce the urban ecosystem. Here we study urban metabolism, water challenges and ecosystem imbalances and understand how anthropogenic pressures reshape natural processes. Module 4 will focus on urban ecosystem processes such as carbon cycles, methane emissions, heat islands and climate stresses. You will learn to identify the 6 dimensions of ecosystem imbalance and balance conditions and evaluate carrying capacity models for cities. Module 5 will integrate ecosystem theories into actionable urban policies. We will explore biodiversity typologies, measurement frameworks, international conventions and real-world instruments, metrics and analytical tools, which can be used by the city planners. In Module 6, we will examine ecosystem services along with valuation methods that support evidence-based planning and decision-making. Module 7 and 8 move towards the development impacts, urban governance, climate change mitigation and disaster risk management, culminating in transformative urban frameworks. Module 9, we will see the transition into nature-based solutions and blue-green infrastructure. We will learn how ecological engineering principles can strengthen resilience. In Module 10, we will learn the assessment tools including ecological footprints, biodiversity index, and infrastructure evaluations. And in concluding modules, Module 11 and 12, that will look ahead and explore future city innovations, risk-adaptive infrastructure, geospatial monitoring, and eco-engineering solutions. We conclude with insights into how science, engineering, and design converge to shape next generation urban environments. We'll be sharing the lectures and the reading materials as well. This course matters because future cities must be resilient, low carbon, biodiverse, and equitable. Your ability to read urban systems ecologically will allow you to design and plan solutions that protect both people as well as the planet. Thank you, and I look forward to exploring the course on urban ecosystems together.